What's up all, welcome and welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So in today's video I'm just going to be showing you how my week is. I usually do make 4 beds for my client or 5 beds according to the orders that I have. So in today's video I have just compiled 4 beds that I did in the past week, and I'm going to be showing you how they came out. Kindly consider telling me in the comment section which one was your favorite. Which color did you like, or which design did you like? Kindly tell me in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share with your friends and family so that they can also learn one or two from us. Anyway, if this is the kind of content you like, consider subscribing to our channel. Hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. Also, you can visit our channel because we do a lot of variety of videos. We do DIYs, transformation, makeovers, among many more projects in this channel. So you can visit our channel to get to see what we do in our channel. Anyway, like the video, comment on it, tell me what you think at the end.
Your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. as you fade away. As you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long.